Every day, it seems like there's a new piece of technology promising to change the way we create, work, or express ourselves. But today's tool stands out from the crowd in a big way. It's called Line Art Studio AI, a unique software that can instantly transform your photos into beautiful line art, printable coloring pages, and even custom paint-by-number kits, all with just a few clicks. Unlike most AI art generators that create images from scratch, this tool works differently. It takes your existing photos and gives them a creative twist, turning memories into art. Imagine turning your favorite pet, a memorable vacation snapshot, or even your car photos into printable, frame-worthy, and even sellable art pieces. That's a bold claim, and naturally I was curious to see if it could really deliver on its promises. Is this tool designed for professional artists, casual hobbyists, or entrepreneurs looking to start a digital product business? We'll find out together. In this review, I'll break down exactly what Line Art Studio AI does, how easy it is to use, its standout features, and what you get for the price. The digital product world is booming, but for many, design skills and expensive, complicated software can be huge barriers to entry. Line Art Studio AI aims to lower that barrier, offering a shortcut to professional-looking products that anyone can use, regardless of experience. But is this shortcut really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped tool? Let's dive in and see if it truly lives up to the promise and hype. We'll explore its features, test its usability, and figure out exactly who this tool is best suited for. If you're curious about making your own art, selling printables online, or just want to try something new and creative, stick around. Let's get started. Here's everything you need to know before you try Line Art Studio AI for yourself. Line Art Studio AI is an innovative web-based tool designed to make digital creativity accessible to everyone. It harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to transform your photos into a variety of unique line art styles, all with just a few clicks. There's no need to download or install anything. Simply open the website in your browser, whether you're on a laptop, tablet, or even your phone. Just upload any photo, and the AI instantly traces it into crisp, clean outlines, ready for your next creative project. With these outlines, you can easily create custom coloring pages, dot-to-dot puzzles, and even paint-by-number kits for all ages. The paint-by-numbers feature goes a step further by automatically generating a custom color palette that matches your image. Line Art Studio AI is built for everyone: entrepreneurs, content creators, teachers, parents, or anyone who loves creative projects. Etsy sellers can quickly design and list unique coloring pages or printable art, making it easy to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Small business owners can generate custom graphics for their brand or products, all without the expense or weight of hiring a designer. Teachers and hobbyists can whip up personalized activities, worksheets, or gifts in just minutes, saving valuable time. The main attraction is its speed and simplicity. No graphic design experience or complicated software required. While traditional methods might take hours or even days, this tool delivers professional results in under a minute. It's all about boosting your efficiency, so you can spend more time on creativity and less on tedious, repetitive work. That's the essence of Line Art Studio AI, making creative digital art fast, easy, and accessible for everyone. Using Line Art Studio AI is refreshingly simple. Even if you're brand new to digital art tools or creative software, the dashboard is clean and intuitive. Just hit the Upload Image button to get started, and you'll be guided every step of the way. You can upload any common image file like JPG or PNG, so there's no need to worry about complicated formats or conversions. For my test, I chose a photo of a classic car with lots of detail, but you can use portraits, landscapes, or any image you like. Once your image is uploaded, you get to pick your art style from a simple menu. Media, software interface showing art style selection menu, user choosing from digital art options on screen, line art, coloring page, dot-to-dot, or paint by numbers. Each style gives your photo a unique creative twist. You can also adjust the detail level with a slider, choose minimal outlines for a clean look, or go for highly detailed lines to capture every nuance. Just hit generate and the AI gets to work, transforming your photo into art in just a few seconds. Watching a full-color photo become crisp, professional-looking line art right before your eyes is genuinely impressive and satisfying. You can tweak settings even further, especially in paint by numbers mode, customize the color palette, adjust the number of colors, and make it truly your own. When you're happy with your creation, download it in high-quality formats. Media, software download menu showing SVG format, computer screen with SVG file icon, SVG, PNG, or JPG, perfect for sharing online, printing, or using in other projects. SVG is especially useful for resizing without losing quality, making it ideal for posters, t-shirts, or any large prints. The whole process, from uploading your image to downloading your finished artwork, takes less than a minute, no waiting around. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly user-friendly. There's no steep learning curve, just instant, professional results. That's how easy it is to turn your photos into stunning digital art with Line Art Studio AI. What sets Line Art Studio AI apart? Versatility. It's not just for basic line drawings. You get coloring pages, dot-to-dot puzzles, and paint-by-numbers kits all in one place. This means you can create products for different audiences without switching tools. The SVG export option is a game changer for anyone selling printable art. Resize without losing quality. Customization is deep. Control line thickness, detail, and color palette complexity. Make simple versions for kids or detailed ones for adults. Every piece can be unique, even with AI doing the heavy lifting. The included commercial license is huge. You can legally sell everything you create. No legal gray areas, just creative freedom. Perfect for building a business or side hustle. It's a professional-grade tool that's easy for anyone to use. That's what makes it stand out. Let's talk price. Line Art Studio AI is available for a one-time payment, no monthly fees. The core software includes line art and coloring page generation, plus a commercial license. Optional upgrades unlock advanced features like paint-by-numbers and dot-to-dot generators. These upgrades are essential for serious sellers, but optional for hobbyists. There may be additional upgrades for templates or stock photos, aimed at power users. The one-time fee is usually a launch special. Prices often rise or switch to subscriptions later. Early adopters get the best deal, so act fast if you're interested. Always check the sales page for current pricing. Lifetime access for a single payment is a rare opportunity. After testing, I'm impressed. Line Art Studio AI delivers on its promises. It's fast, simple, and lowers the barrier for creating and selling digital art. No art or tech skills required. Just upload, click, and create. Etsy sellers and print-on-demand entrepreneurs will benefit most. Automating product creation. Teachers, parents, and small business owners can make custom materials in minutes. It's not for professional illustrators who want to draw by hand, but perfect for efficiency and automation. Quality depends on your input photo. Use clear, well-lit images for best results. For the price, especially with the commercial license, it's a solid investment. If you want to sell printables, the first upgrade is worth it for extra features. It's a tool that can pay for itself quickly. Clean, efficient, and user-friendly. It solves a real problem. Highly recommended for creators and entrepreneurs. To wrap up, Line Art Studio AI makes complex art creation accessible to everyone. Turn any photo into a professional-looking product. Pets, cars, travel, family, you name it. It's a real business opportunity, not just a novelty. If you're interested, check it out soon. The one-time pricing is likely limited. Early buyers often get bonuses, so don't wait. You could start a side hustle this weekend, turn photos into coloring books and list them on Etsy. The tool removes technical barriers, letting you focus on creativity and business. It's rare to find software this easy and powerful for commercial use, perfect for beginners and pros alike. If you want to unlock your creative potential or make personalized gifts, this is worth a look. Click the link to see the demo and grab it before the price changes. It's a smart tool for modern creators. Don't miss out.